Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use function codes with the ICT Protege GX platform. So what a function code is. Basically, on a keypad like this, on a reader keypad, we can actually on one door create up to 10 function codes. The function code being from the 0 digit to 9. So we can have from 0 to 9, and basically the process will be to punching the function code before using your card. If I use my card right away, there was two authentication here, so it will unlock the door and it's not gonna do the function code that I want to. But if I press 1, enter, and then badge my card, it will basically take care of enabling the feature that I enabled in my function code. So basically, with function codes, we can control partitions or areas, we can control doors and programmable outputs. And because we can control programmable outputs, activating an output or a virtual output can trigger a whole sorts of different programmable functions like we have shown in different previous videos. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use digit number 1 to disarm the warehouse area. So let's start with how we can program this, and then I'm going to show you the results in my event status page. All right, so basically the first step is to go under sites and then function codes. As you can see here, I created my first function code to disarm the warehouse area, and the digit I'm using is 1. When the system accepts my code, it's going to change the color based on these 3 statuses here. Below here we have actions, because you can create multiple actions for each code. So the different type of actions are door, areas, and outputs, as I said before. But in this example, I'm going to disarm the warehouse area. If you look at the bottom here, you can see that we can allow unauthorized, so that would allow someone who doesn't have access to my front door to use the code and then badge his card, and it will activate the function code without unlocking the door after. Which actually is always the case. Even if you have access to the door, the function code doesn't unlock the door. You have to badge again after if you want to open the door. You can also put this on a schedule if you want this to work only during the day, and that's the timeout, which is basically the length of time that you have to punch in the code and give you access. So that was step number 1. Then we go under programming, doors, I select my front door, and under function codes, make sure you have the function code here. So like I said before, we can have up to 10 of these assigned to the same door. Let's have a look at the events and see the process, and I'll do it on my demo kit here so you can see the events and description of them at the same time. So monitoring, status page view. Let's say I want to select all events. All right, so the process is the following. I need to enter 1 because that's the digit I selected in the function code. Enter. The color is changing because it's waiting for a card. I badge my card. It's green, meaning that the function has been processed. So as you can see here, the warehouse was disarmed, and that's it. So it's very simple to use. Again, you can have up to 10 on the same door. You can create a logic of different output activations. You can control doors, areas. You can even control floors, because you can use programmable functions. So I think it's a very useful feature, and I think not a lot of users know that it exists. So that's why I wanted to show you. So, all right, I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we have new videos available. And again, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Don't forget to reach out to our sales or support teams from the Inaxsys.com website. See you soon.